guys, so it is day one of Halloween. The 31 days of Halloween. It's day one and I cannot believe we're starting it. I have been looking forward to this for so long, since January. I am a freak when it comes to Halloween. So today we're going to do a scary thing. I don't want to get into too much detail because this one is new for me. I haven't tried this one before, but I'm excited to see how it turns out. So let's get started and let's rabbit it on. So we've just cleaned my face and we're going to start off with the petals. I got these, a pack. They are daisies. I got a pack of these and the white ones. I got these round about Easter because I was going to do an Easter party for a client, but obviously with lockdown it never happened, so I'm making good use of them. So I've just literally broke apart because they would come together like this as two, so I just broke them apart to make more, and we're just gonna do the side of our face. So I tried spirit gum but it just kept falling off, so I've got, don't judge, I got these sellotape things just to stick on my face. It's not like I'm having it on for hours on end, it's just until this video. So we're going to start off at the top, and don't worry as well because the white of the tape is going to be absolutely covered in blood and red stuff. So we're just going to copy this all the way down our face. Looks very pretty, but it won't be in a minute. So we're going to go all the way down like a circle motion, like a circle, and obviously you can fill in the gaps if it looks too circly, like put one up here and then the last one just down here by your mouth. And then we have it. It's going to annoy me. Now we're going to move on to the makeup. I'm using my mini James Charles palette, and I am going to go in with the yellows and the oranges. So the oranges up here and the yellow down here. So that's what we're going to start off with, and let's do this. So we're just going to go in with the crease. The yellow is okay, not as bright as I want it to be, but this is where we're going to mix the orange with it, just to make it stand out a bit more. And again, it doesn't have to be neat because it's Halloween, so there's our excuse. So get as much yellow on as we possibly can. And if we're happy with that, then we're going to move in the orange. We're going to do the dark and we're going to do it on the crease to start off with, just to balance it up and make it more brighter. Orange, and we're just going to do under the eyes. Like so. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe M176. Then as something, and we're just going to go over the nose. You probably think that's a bit weird, but Halloween, you can do it as ever as you want. Using the Makeup Aqua in red, Smithies at the moment. I normally go in with my FX, but I haven't got the red, so now we just have a little bit of fun. So all the red around the edges. I'm using a very small brush. This is the Morphe brush, like a very small one, just to get the edges right. And we're just basically making a mess. Go in as well, middle, but we're just having fun with it. And we're being as messy as we can be. So now I've just added on the veins to make it more spooky. And we're going to now add some veins here. Just across here. Across like that, so it's like more spooky, more scary. You can add little or hardly any, depending on what look you want to go for. So now we're going to move on to the lipstick. So I am using the NYX Professional Makeup in Spicy. And I'll also be using the NYX Velvet Matte Lipstick as well. So I am doing top layer first. Now we're going to go in with the blacky blue one. To finish the look off, we're going to do the hair. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So you can have any type of wig. I got this red wig. Goes really well. You can have like a cute little costume and stuff like that. So I thought this was wicked and amazing for my first Halloween look of the year. So if you love this look, give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe down below, and let me know in the comment section below whatever looks you would like for me to do, because I will gladly do them for you. So take care, my butterflies. Happy Halloween.